This is an explanation of number 5 and number 7. When in problem number 5 you were given that the two segments were perpendicular, so RT and TP, that makes this a 90-degree angle right here. We show that with a square like that. 2y plus 6 is RTN. RTN. 2y plus 6 is the expression that goes in the angle. 5x minus 2 is NTP. So 2y plus 6 plus 5x minus 2 equals 90 degrees based on this fact here. To simplify the left, I'd write 2y plus 4 plus 5x equals 90. If I subtract the 4 from both sides, I have 2y plus 5x equals 86. If I subtract the 5x from both sides, and I'll bring that up here, it says, it should read 2y equals negative 5x plus 86. I have to keep these separate. The question is, let me go back to the question. The question is solve for y in terms of x. What that's really saying is y equals mx plus b. What you learned in algebra. Solve for y. Because in terms of x means there's an x on the other side, which is right there. So y equals mx plus b might remind you of the algebra. Now moving on to the rest of the problem, I'm going to divide all of the terms by 2, and I have y is equal to negative 5 over 2 times x plus 43. Now I want to make sure that's what I got before. So I think I got that. Yeah. Okay. So number 7 was another question that you asked. I just want to make sure you understand WXT, which is this angle right here, is congruent to angle YXZ, which is this angle right here. Now, the angle in the middle is going to be added to the two smaller ones. So when I add the red one and the green one on this side, I get this angle right here. The black one there. So I'm adding the red one and the green one to get the black one. Now I'm going to add this red one and this green one together to get this one. And I'll make a double swoop again with the black. Okay? So I added the green angle to the two red angles. Now I was given in the picture this middle angle is either going to be added or subtracted. That's important to see that middle angle is going to be either added or subtracted. Since I was given the small ones here, I added that blue angle to the two small ones. So the reason is that if an angle, which in this case is this angle right here, okay, is added, not an angle, but an angle, is added to congruent angles, the sums are congruent. So the sums are these black swoops. And the congruent angles are the red angles there. Oops, just one. So the red angles. I hope that answers your question. Have a good day.